Hi, I'm Giuliano De Luca. In this video I'm gonna show you how to build a solution in order to receive those notifications on SharePoint Online in real time across webhooks. We will analyze also the solution architecture behind and a Node.js app that works as a webhooks broadcaster, and finally the client, which is in this case an SPFx application customizer does notifications. Move forward with the solution architecture. What we have, basically we have a events list on SharePoint Online where I previously subscribed webhooks. It means that every list changes will trigger an HTTP post towards the subscriber. I mean a Node.js web app. And every time that the Node.js app will receive a webhook, we'll send and broadcast this across Socket.io, a really powerful JavaScript library, in order to establish real-time communication between server and client. At the end, we will have a notification on the SharePoint Online site across the application customizer. I want to put the focus on an important mechanism as a logic in the application customizer. In fact, I'm using the getChanges API in order to grab the info that are really fresh and new for the end user. It's absolutely important to define the change token, because I'm interested to collect the info from a specific start date. And as you can see here, I'm interested to retrieve only new item into the list. I'll give you a little explanation about the change token. The change token it's composed from several numbers. The first identify the version. The second, the scope. In this case, 3, because it's a SharePoint list. The third, it's a dynamic value and will be the list ID, GUID. The fourth is the date, but it's not the normal date. In fact, you need to convert the normal date in a UTC date. And finally, we will have the last one that you can leave as is, -1 by default. Okay, move forward with the demo. I have here my site collection demo, and now I am on a modern view, as you can see. Let me open the events list. I'm gonna split this into in 2 tabs, and now let me add a new item in the events list. Notification. The other parameter are not so important. And yeah, and Yeah, as you can see, we have the task notification. This will stay on screen for 10 seconds, and after that will disappear. Now, quick explanation on the code of the application customizer. In the render placeholder, I attach basically a div, and this div will be disabled only if a new item has been created into the events list, in my case. And here there is the logic, the main logic of this solution. Connect socket, where every time that Node.js send the webhook received, this event socket on will be triggered, and I can, in this way, I can check on the list if we have we have new content and fresh for the end user. If yes, I will create the notification, and it's important to see that there is date conversion here to UTC ticks format. Yeah, the solution is pretty easy. It's available on my GitHub and the official Microsoft SharePoint GitHub. I'll give you also an overview about the Node.js app. Also here we have several dependencies. The main dependencies is of course the socket.io server, and what we have also the Express, because I use the Express as a web framework, body parser in order to read the body of a HTTP request, and moment. The main route is the post. When the Node.js app receive a post from SharePoint, basically the Node.js app will emit across the WebSocket the webhook received in JSON format, and after that this action will be traced on and logged on a webhooks log txt file, and the Node.js app will display in the index HTML the last 6 webhooks received. That's all. I think that this solution could be helpful for you. Thanks for watching me. See you to the next video.